In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-factor verification in your Meta Business Suite account. Two-factor verification, also called two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of security to your business assets. Instead of just relying on a password, it requires a second confirmation, like a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. This makes it much harder for someone to break into your business account, even if they somehow get your password. So let's walk through how to turn it on for your Meta Business Suite. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com in the address bar and making sure you're logged in with the account that manages your business assets. Once the page loads, you should see your Meta Business Suite home dashboard with a menu on the left-hand side. On that left-hand side, look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually towards the bottom of the menu. Click on Settings to open the main settings area for your business. This is where you control important things like users, permissions, and security. After you've opened Settings, you'll see another list of options in the left-hand column. From this list, click on Business Info. This section contains the key details about your business account, including security-related settings. When the Business Info page opens, scroll down until you find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. This may be located a bit lower on the page, so keep scrolling until you clearly see that heading. Once you find it, you'll notice a drop-down menu or selection area that lets you control who is required to use two-factor authentication for this business. Click on the drop-down in the two-factor authentication section. You'll see a few different options for how strictly you want to enforce two-factor authentication. To maximize security, choose the option labeled Everyone. This means that every person who has access to your business in Meta Business Suite will be required to have two-factor authentication enabled on their account. After selecting Everyone, your settings should save automatically or prompt you to confirm. Once that's done, two-factor authentication is now enforced for your business. Each person connected to your business will need to set up their own two-factor method the next time they log in, if they haven't already. And that's it. You've successfully turned on two-factor verification in your Meta Business Suite account, helping protect your business from unauthorized